Hey dolls, welcome back. We just got done with Memorial Weekend. Hello, red, white, and blue. And with Memorial Weekend comes summertime. So guess what just showed up? The Fab Fit Fun Summer Box. We're gonna be doing an unboxing today, and let me tell you, there's some good stuff in here, so keep watching. So if you're doing Fab Fit Fun, you know just how awesome it is. But if you're not, I'm gonna show you why you should. We're gonna talk about some of the things that came in the box today. We're gonna talk about what their cost value is individually and overall what the value of this summer's box is going to be. And then we're gonna talk about what you pay per year to get it. It's phenomenal. Okay, so right out of the gate, when you open your Fab Fit Fun box, you get a few goodies. You get some discounts on stuff, coupons, these cute little summer stickers, how darling. But this is the big thing. This is your Fab Fit Fun magazine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about the products that we've gotten in our box today, which are listed on this page called, easily enough, What's in the Box. It tells you what the product is, what it's used for, and what the cost value is. So it's pretty cool. Now I customized this box and got a lot of really cool products in it. One thing I love about Fab Fit Fun, it's like Christmas 4 times a year. Okay, so in this box, I got this little card. I have no idea what it is. It's probably a coupon thing of some sort. Oh, how cute. If you're looking for a sign to drink wine, this is it. And I'm guessing, yep, $45 credit on Bright Sellers. So things like that. If you're a wine drinker and you do wine clubs, you're also gonna get a lot of really great value in terms of offers. And I love doing that. So we'll start with my first product that I'm getting, which is the VERSO Super Eye Serum. Now I've actually gotten this before, so I did customize to receive it again. It's a great product. And what I love about this eye serum is it actually includes retinol, which is a great product obviously for anti-aging, firming, and smoothing around the eye area. Okay, the next product that I got is Living Proof Perfect Hair Days Dry Shampoo. So I utilize Batiste and I utilize the Dove dry shampoos, but I thought I would give Living Proof a try. It's a product that I've been wanting to use and try for some time. So it was really great that it gave me the option to customize. It cleans the hair, it eliminates the oil, the sweat, the odor, and I typically wet wash once a week and dry wash once a week. So I'm really excited to try the Living Proof. It's got a nice scent to it, but that's pretty cool because look at the value. That's what it's about. Okay, you're gonna laugh at me on this one, but I'm a huge mind games, crosswords, puzzle junkie. I think for us gals checking that age box, Gen X dolls and Boomer dolls, it's a great way to keep your brain young, I guess. And so I actually did customize request this product. This one is Puzzles and Activities. Make today better, it says on the front, and these are the puzzles and activities they have inside this one. And you also get Just Be Happy puzzles and activities. So cute. And I am so excited to jump into these. I'll watch TV at night and just do little brain challenges, again, crosswords, and keeping that brain like working. We know what that does. So in this case, we have things like coloring, riddling, word games, journal prompts, word searches, crosswords. Oh my gosh, there's more in this thing than I thought. But it's so exciting, and you get 2 of them. How cute. So loving up on these, and really loving that they are double-sided pages. So what we see here is actually twice the amount per book. Yeah, that's a lot of fun. And yes, I requested it. Don't judge. Okay, the next thing I got is a Rae Dunn collection, and this is for the life and style aspect of what FabFitFun offers. This is also something that I customized, and we love chips and salsa, guilty as charged. So I got this really cute set by, I don't know if you can see that, by Rae Dunn. It is the Artisan Collection, and it is a guac and salsa bowl set with wooden spoon servers. So adorable. So here are the wooden spoons. Very cute. Okay. So it comes stacked. You've got salsa, and inside that one, you've got the guac. How cute. With the little wooden spoons, I am so going to be using these, particularly through summer. Salsa and guac, the Rae Dunn collection. Very cute, ceramic, really nice weighted product. And yeah, look at the cost. This is something that I also customized, and I love this. This is called the L Space Beach Towel, but you're gonna love what it actually looks like. So it comes like this, the L Space Beach Towel. And how cute is that pattern, just looking at it through the package. So look at this little beach towel with the fringe. How darling is that? A really nice quality towel. Again, fringing on both sides. And the little modish hippie in me, modish being stylish, but hippie being me, I love the fringe. This is so adorable. And by the way, look at the value of this towel. This is the second one that I've gotten over the last couple of years that I've requested, because they have really high quality products when they do the life and style things as well. So I was really excited to check that out, and I'm super happy that I got it. Okay, the next thing that I got, To the Market little lemon serving tray. So cute, perfect for summer. I'm gonna set my little salsa and guac set on top of it. Ah, I'm ready to entertain. That's how I roll. So this is absolutely darling. A little lemon pattern. But here's what I love about the company that makes these. To the Market, it's buy the change you want to see. Buy as in B-U-Y. And the reason why is their motto. We believe in the dignity of work empowerment through employment. We connect makers around the globe to people like you and me. Very, very cool. We are on a mission to create products that empower people and protect the planet. So you gotta love that right out of the gate. This darling little tray is such a great size. I can't wait to entertain with it, with my little salsa and guac set. I'm already starting, see? How darling is that? And this is a great example of the life and style products that you get with FabFitFun. It's not just about bathroom products. It goes above and beyond. And this little tray is valued at, not too shabby. Okay, this is something that really surprised me, and I will say this. I have been doing FabFitFun for years, and I love it. And I was paying a smaller fee a year. It was about $149. I actually pay $195 a year now because I like being VIP. I like being able to customize my products, and I've actually been a VIP member for a few years now as well. Here's what's cool. I just had my anniversary in May, and I got this extra box out of nowhere. It wasn't in the typical cute FabFitFun styled boxes where they're springy or wintry and all on the outside super cute. It was just like a regular cardboard box. I was like, what's going on? So I opened it up and I got this little card, happy anniversary. And this is the first time I've ever gotten this. They put together a curated box for me. So thank you so much for my anniversary gift. This is huge. And it starts out with this really cute, and it's already opened because I've been wearing it. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I've been wearing it all the time, and it is so, so darling. This is gonna be one of my favorite things. I've been wearing it like crazy. So the next thing I got is totally darling. It's by Ziggy and Maris. I hope I said that right. M-A-R-A-I-S. Probably butchered it. But it's a darling little sunglasses case. I mean, how cute is that? Love the little tassel. It's got a little leather feel. It is so cute. And thank you, because I'm definitely gonna be using this. So cute. All right, the next thing I got is called Beyond Yoga. How cute is this pocket infinity scarf? I love it. And of course they got me right. They sent me one in black. I wear a lot of black, but how cute. And I see, look, it's got like a little zipper here where you can keep something in a pocket and zip it back up. You're not gonna lose anything. And it is absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, so cute. You can kind of off the shoulder it. Ooh la la. Okay, I'm obsessed with this. And then, as the final drum roll, they sent Sloane Champagne Flutes by BOMSHBEE. Okay, wait till you see these champagne flutes. Of course I opened these. It said champagne. And you get 4 of them. They're weighty, but they're not too heavy. But I love the bevel cut on this. Can you see that? How gorgeous is this champagne flute? And I got a set of 4. So check out my little melamine printed tray holding my 4 champagne flutes. These are absolutely gorgeous. Ooh, I'm such a lucky girl. Well, thank you, FabFitFun, for my awesome anniversary gift. You nailed it. Here's what our totals turned out to be for full value of this quarter's box. Right? That's what it's about, y'all. I did just do a spring unboxing, and I'm gonna link that video here for you. So check that out. And check the description box below for a special link to become a FabFitFun girl yourself. So thanks for watching, you guys. Give a birthday girl a thumbs up, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. Cheers.